up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. You already know who it is. It's your girl Kelsey, and today I have an exciting video, especially for me because I had a company by the name of Duvolle Brands to reach out to you, girl. Yes, it is over skincare, and they wanted me to show you guys this Spincare brush. Actually, it's called the Radiant Spincare brush. And I'm excited to show you guys my skincare routine and how I would incorporate this. This is my first time using it. So as you guys are seeing this is my first time. So just to get started, it came in a package like this. And yes, I've already opened it, but I didn't open the box yet. And it's this right here. So like I said, it's called the Radiant Skincare System by Duvolle, and it's water resistant, so I'm assuming you can use this in the shower as well. With this spin brush, it comes with four attachments. Let me see. So it's a 4 interchangeable accessories, a facial exfoliation brush, large body cleansing brush. Oh, that's what this is, y'all. It's a large body cleansing, girl. Oh, and it's soft. Okay. It comes with a facial cleansing brush and a pumice stone. So let's see. They're both actually soft to me. So, but this one feels just a little bit more firm. So I'm gonna say this right here is the exfoliating brush, and this one is the facial cleansing brush. And this right here is your pumice, girl, because I can get the back of my heels with this. You feel me? You feel me? Here is the spin brush. Give me a second because it ain't no batteries in here. So 1 second. Okay, so I'm back. Yeah, that's my fault for assuming. It don't say in here that battery's not included, but hey, that's okay. We got it working. We're just gonna jump right into this skincare routine, and yeah. Okay, so the first thing that I like to do when I'm doing my skincare routine, just so you guys know a little bit about my skin. When it's really hot right now during the summertime, springtime, in the heat, my skin breaks out. And as you can see, this dark spot right here, it breaks out the sun heat. It's like a sun allergy. It breaks out my chest, my arms. It'll break out my face. This is the second year that I've actually had the problem with my face. And my kids are in track right now. So it causes my skin to just, girl, do the most. But my skin is still really soft because I do exfoliate and I do wash my face very, very well. So yeah. So the first thing that I like to do, I like Estee Lauder products, okay? I use the multi-action foam cleanser from Estee Lauder. You just wet your face. And I'm gonna take some of this face wash and I'm gonna put it on, and I'm gonna use the brush to really work it into my skin. Estee Lauder, you guys. Okay. Estee Lauder is really, really good. People always make the mistake of thinking, oh, Estee Lauder is for older people. No, ma'am. It's for us too. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, now. This just, hold on. Okay, just from what I can tell right now, you guys. So, one thing about me, I will never lie. I don't care how many sponsors or people send me products, I will give you the honest God truth. This is a good brush. How I know? Because I've purchased one before. And when I would really press into my skin, the brush would stop. Like, it would really stop, girl. I was like, Done wasted my money. Ooh, this feels so good, y'all. It's like a face massage. Can't even talk. A face massage. Oh, yeah. Okay. So right here, although you shouldn't be pressing that hard, I did just give it a little bit of pressure on my face just to see how it'll work. It don't lose the force, or you know what I mean. Oh yeah. Okay. I see you, Duvolle. All right. So now I'm just gonna rinse out my brush. Okay, so after I wash my face, the next thing that I like to do is exfoliate my skin, my face. And I use the St. Ives Fresh Skin Apricot Scrub. Y'all, this right here is really, really good. And I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna wet my face and I'm gonna apply it over. And then I'll use the brush that was more firm and use it to exfoliate. Okay, so what I noticed, even with this brush being more firm, because when I use my hands to just put on this exfoliator, if you rub too hard, you can tell that it can scratch your face. With this brush, and even with it being firm, I am not lying to you, it doesn't feel that way. It's still soft. I can barely feel the beads. But it's like I can't even explain the feeling. Like, you know that it's cleaning your face. Oh man. Y'all, I'm too excited. I also forgot to mention at the beginning of this video that this brush retail price for $95, but with my code you will get it for 70% off at 70% off, and it'll be $28.50. It's worth it. Like, the brush I bought before was like $10-15. I can't exactly how much I paid, but for an extra $10-15, like, come on, we waste money every day on regular stuff, but skincare, especially like if you wear makeup and stuff, you have to take care of your skin. Like, it only makes sense. You can't be applying makeup on no rough, bumpy skin. No disrespect to people who have acne problems who can't help it, but for people who can, that just apply makeup and don't take care of their face the right way, you can spend a little extra dollars on something nice for yourself. So now I'm just gonna rinse this off my face. Okay, so if you got skin like me, my skin is like, it's kind of weird. It's like normal to dry. Ooh. Oh man. Yeah, this skin feel like a baby's ass. It's so smooth. It is really so smooth. Okay, so after I do that, to give my skin, like after I use a cleanser and I exfoliate, my skin will get dry. Like, it will get dry. So what I do, I use the Estee Lauder Serum. It's the Advanced Night Repair. I use it in the day and in the night, you guys. And this really works wonders. It's not cheap, I'll tell you that, but I promise you, it definitely helps with marks, dark spots, and everything. So for this bottle, it's like, I believe, $65 or $75. But it's really worth it. Okay. And then sometimes after I put on my, I'm just letting it dry a little bit. After I put on my serum, sometimes I use a under eye cream. And this is one by Estee Lauder, the Advanced Night Repair as well. It don't come with a lot, and you don't need a lot. You need about just that much. And I just put it on my your ring fingers are your weakest fingers, so that's the fingers you want to use for under your eye. And I just tap that right under. And I rub a little bit on top, but yeah. Like that. And then my last step that I like to do, me personally, some people are like, what? You don't use a moisturizer? Until I find one that really works for me, I don't really use a cream moisturizer as much. Especially because with in the mornings, I wash my face, I put on a serum, and I might put on like maybe the Pond's. This is just before my makeup, or this vitamin C rapid flash brightness serum, just a little bit of it. But for the most part, the Pond's, they don't moisturize as long. So just most of the time I use just a little bit of the bio oil if it's in the morning, so my face don't be too oily. But at night I have no problem using this bio oil, skincare oil. It says it helps improve the appearance of scars and stretch marks. It also helps with uneven skin tone, aging, and dehydrated skin. And it's the main ingredient is porcelain oil, which reduces the thickness of the formulation and makes it easily absorbed. So this right here really helps with helping your skin to stay even, and helps with those dark spots under your eyes, which with me working and having a business, like I still have a 9-to-5 and I have a business, and of course my 2 children and their sports, your girl looks tired a lot. So I just use this to help me keep my skin looking right. And this right here acts as a moisturizer as well. Especially if you guys have dry skin like me, like if after you wash your face with, you know, face washes and you exfoliate, this will really help you. And I just let it sit on my face like that. If you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give you girls a thumbs up, comment, and let me know if you have any ideas that you might want to see, or if you have any further questions about this. But before I go, I do want to tell you this. Like I said earlier, I'm not going to lie on a product. I'm not going to do something. Like, I wasn't paid to do this video. I was sent this product. Even if I was paid to do the product, there is an understanding that you want my opinion on a product. This product is awesome. I can't wait to use the body. I'm going to use this actually when I take a shower, just to give my body a scrub. I have some Bath and Body Works Cocoa Shea honey scrub, and I can't wait to use that with this. And even the pumice for my foot, wherever I put that at. But anyways, so yes, overall I love this product. I will be using this and incorporating this into my daily skincare routine. You guys have to try it. Like I said, it retails for $95. Like, I can't even explain. Like, it's not plastic. Like, I mean, I'm sure it's plastic, but the plastic on here is really sturdy. It's firm. Like, I can't even explain it because I've had one of these before and it was clearly trash. It didn't work. I could barely even like give it a little push and it stops. Like, the power on it is like a mechanical, I don't even know what you want to say. It just didn't work like that. Big difference. And that's what I was looking forward to. I was like, okay, when I try this, I'm gonna compare it to that other brush that I have. Otherwise I wouldn't have anything to compare it to. But this works really well. And like I said, use my discount code. I have it linked in the description below. You'll get 70% off, and this brush will be only $28.50. And don't forget, you guys, you have to take care of your skin, especially if you're gonna be wearing makeup. Like, you have to. Don't just cake your face, clog your pores, and not take care of your skin. It's not a good look. And even despite with me having these on my face, with me taking care of my skin, when I apply my makeup, it looks flawless. It's a smooth foundation. Okay, so anyways, again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. And until next time, you already know your girl Kelsey loves you. Stay blessed.